Hi, good evening. So, today I will show you the story of two different people. I will face my camera and show you the story of what Ram and Sham do. So, Sham is a lazy person. He always says, I will do the work tomorrow. I will procrastinate. I will leave my life in a mess. I will see tomorrow. He doesn't take action. So, I am pointing out the video to Sham's table. As you can see, so many medicines have been kept on his table, and his life also is in a mess. He's always confused. He doesn't know what to do next. He keeps asking everyone for his opinion. But take the case of Ram. Ram is composed and relaxed. Have a look at his table. So his table is clean, his mind is calm, he's relaxed, he gets his work done on time. So, do you want to be Ram or do you want to be Sham? Do you want to move forward in the stock market or do you want to continue making losses? Do you want to learn the art of value investing? Do you want to learn how to pick good quality stocks? And do you want to just not only speculate but invest? Do you want to learn to make a portfolio? And most important, do you want to be the breadwinner? Do you want to show the way for your family members that you can do it? I have done it. You can do it. We can do it. So, all people who are interested to know more and want to earn profits from stocks and want to make a good start to the financial fortunes and dreams can message or call me at 9342 555 117. Always choose to be Ram in life because Sham is always confused. He does not take action and he feels that tomorrow will come and tomorrow becomes tomorrow. And finally, years pass by, months pass by, and before you know it, it's too late to do anything. And then Sham wishes, I wish I would have done this, I wish I would have done that, and the regrets pile up. So be Ram, take action, start investing, don't be late. Investing is great. Thanking you from Ashish, Equity Research and Analyst, MBN Finance, Bangalore.